Hi guys, we're here in SM City, Pampanga, here in San Fernando, Pampanga. And we just finished been in Mexico, Pampanga. It's near also to Mexico and San Fernando.
Yes, hi guys, we now already in SM City, Pampanga. We going to parking.
So we're going to park near the wheel. Sky Ranch.
Sky Ranch, yes.
It's in
You
the
can
back.
show, Shire. City Pampanga. SM City
SM
Pampanga.
City.
No better from outside.
SM City, Pampanga. Also here in SM Pampanga or in SM City Pampanga is famous from the Sky Ranch. It's a carnival, big carnival here in Pampanga, and you can play here some, I don't know how to say that one. The big Ferris wheel. It's Ferris wheel, I mean, and it's also big city mall here in all Pampanga. And the next big is the SM City Clark. And right now we're turning to parking in the back.
Weekend not easy to park. Sometimes weekend need to turn too many, but this time weekdays I think we can find place for park. This is Sky Ranch. You show from
Sky Ranch.
from here.
So big. I've been there in Sky Ranch
When you been?
with my sister. Maybe it's already long time. And I tried the banana boat, and it's not banana boat, it's the boat, riding boat like this. And really, after that, like, I'm already scared of height after that, because it's so high, and it's like you want to swallow, like, no, not swallow, like vomiting after that. So I don't want to go to ride after that.
We park already here. It's free parking. Have space. Gate 6. So we parking near gate 6. Gate 6 parking.
Good evening.
Good evening, good evening. Where you want it, Shira?
I don't know, but I need to go first. Go to pee.
Where?
Pee.
You want tea? Joke, Shira, joke. Okay, we can find CR first.
Because don't have there in the last one, so I need to find the other.
Okay, okay. Supermarket. Oh, very big. It's same like SM City Clark, same. But it's biggest. Shara, SM Pampanga is more bigger than SM Clark?
Yes,
More bigger.
this is the biggest one.
This is biggest in Pampanga province, biggest. Food court also. I remember we've been already in food court. Shira, I think wrong way.
Huh?
Wrong way, maybe this way. Shira won't go to CR because we walk so faster. Okay, okay. airport. So many people now. Hi. Seafood grill.
Balikan ko na lang yung order. Kaya lang na-order ako.
So many foods, different kind of foods. It's not expensive. It's 125, 130. It's good price. Kimbap is Shira like Korean Mr. Kimbap in the Sam Clark same. What you want, Shira? What you want?
It's good also.
Yeah, all good. I like all. So many choice now.
Oh, they have a barbecue.
Okay, you can choose what you want. Barbecue, also La Parlata, or Korean, I don't know. You took a look all first, Shira.
Oh, they have what is this grilled squid there with kare kare. That's good, 209 only.
Shira, what you want? You want bulalo?
Bulalo in this one.
Aha, chicken. Chicken is and bulalo. What is this? What name is?
Pakbet.
Hi?
Pakbet.
Shira.
Pinakbet.
Pinakbet.
Yes.
Pinakbet?
Ah,
Okay, because I don't know what is.
oh, it's good.
Oh, yes, really good. But why? It's also bulalo. Bulalo. Ага.
May 9 pesos ka? 9 pesos ka?
9 pesos. 20 pesos. Oh, so many bulalo. Hot.
Even the chicken surat.
First time we eat in this restaurant.
Yes.
How to correct say, Shira?
Kamay kainan.
Kamai kainan. How to translate in English?
Use hand.
No, you say in English.
Use hand for it.
Use hand.
For it.
So it's translate use hand for it.
Ah. Kamay kainan.
Wait. Kamai kainan. It means
It's like use I don't know how to say.
use hand and it. Or
Yes.
Use hand and it. It translate.
Like
from
restaurant. Kainan, it means kainan.
Kamai is hand. Okay.
It's
What is this?
pinakbet.
Pinakbet? А what is how to translate peanut butter? As you already don't know.
It's vegetable.
Vegetable, okay. No, soup is I like this.
This one
Bulalo.
is bulalo famous.
Bulalo is very, very good soup.
Good.
Philippine traditional soup bulalo, name bulalo.
Good.
Not hot?
Good rice. You know, after the pepper, the black pepper, it's little bit have some. I don't know how to say.
I don't know.
Like kick in my tongue. It.
Very good. Bulalo soup is very good. Yes, guys, really very good soup. I recommend that if you go to the Philippines, eat bulalo soup. Maybe already they know. Not spicy?
This is spicy. This is one for bulalo.
Together with bulalo.
Yes. That's soy sauce.
And this
Pinakbet. Vegetable.
yeah, really, I very like bulalo soup. You can cook bulalo also in home.
Good.
Right, guys, we already finished it, and we walk in SM Pampanga, San Fernando. Eat like a king at SM City Pampanga.
Like a king at
How
SM
again you
Pampanga.
say?
Eat like a king at SM Pampanga. You need that. You need eat.
Eat it, yes.
Like eat.
Oh, this is Chinese mooncake. In China always need to give mooncake. Yes, it's mooncake. I never seen in the Philippines mooncake. It's first time I see. Really, it's mooncake from China. Yes, China. Mooncake is different taste. Every mooncake is sometimes with meat, sometimes with candy, have vegetables, different kind of mooncakes. This is price. Mooncake 204. One pieces 204. And this, don't know how much. Hi?
Good Dahopya also, it's famous here in Philippines. You know, you can buy in the store and have three types of flavor. The mungo, the sweet, and the what name? Like caramel
Okay.
and the pig.
Okay. Good looking. Same like in Japan, Sakura. Yeah, in Japan it's time, Sakura time is good.
It's better.
I like smell also Sakura. When I go to Japan this time, I really very like.
But it's better if I go there also.
Japan?
Yes.
I for
But-
Philippines I need visa for Japan or not, I
No?
don't know. Not need visa.
No?
Super size Funat. What is Funat? Fun at SM Funat. Leon English. Not good. Shaira.
Funat.
Funat.
Yes, Funat.
Fun app. Yes, yes. Maybe some of subscribers say really idiot. Yes. Guys, sorry for my English. Sorry. It's not my English is not my language. I hope you understand me. But funny also for you who from America, from UK, country where have English.
Funat.
Funat. New word, Shaira, you already know.
It's your name already to me. Funat.
Funat. Ой, also good restaurant. What name? Vikings. Also Sakura have. I like Sakura. Oh, very good restaurant. Really very good. We will try. Not now because we full already. Vikings. Guys, I think it's good restaurant. So many foods. Comfortable chair also. Take a look, chair, very good. Comfortable seat. Hello. Available key already? Can I see car?
Ah, yes sir.
Okay, thank you. Guys, I have car same also Nissan Leaf. Little bit same car. This is Nissan Kicks, new model. Electric car. Simple car, but it's okay for city drive. It's good. Hybrid. So 100 kilometers, maybe 5 liters need for 100 kilometers.
100 kilometers, sir. 100 kilometers. Almost 5 liters, sir.
Yes, about 5. It's same like a Toyota Prius maybe.
Yes, sir.
Same. Okay, thank you for interview.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Shaira, good time for buy car right now, summertime.
So where are you going?
No, now already
Go to SM.
SM, you want to SM store? What you want? SM store, yeah. Let's go to SM store right now. This is Ford Territory, no, new model. Titanium. I not seen in the road. The same. This look big. Can open?
Yes, sir, yes.
Oh, this is another, it's already biggest car. Power seats. Window all automatic. It's plastic, look like wood. Oh, good soft. Electric rear window also. How many seats this car?
5 seater.
Ah, it's 5 seats, but have 7 also, this model.
For 7 seaters?
7 seaters available, same car.
No.
Only all 5.
Only 5.
Okay, okay.
The camera is amazing, sir. No, it's manual, sir.
Manual.
For this
Okay,
variant.
okay. This is model manual. Trunk is big. And you can put inside. Camera. How much this car now?
1,335,000.
1,335,000.
35.
It's good price. Engine 1.5?
1.5.
1.5. No, it's not expensive, I think. Yes, good. 1.3 million only. It's not expensive. 1.3 million.
But it's more bigger than
Yes,
the...
yes, more bigger than Nissan Kicks. I think it's car more interesting.
And the color is
For big family in the Philippines, big family, they want to buy. I think Ford is better. Shaira with camera. Shaira will take video from the Sky Ranch. Sky Ranch new video.
Oh, you will take video.
Okay, okay.
I
I
just
will
hold
talk-
the camera only.
It's your YouTube channel, not mine.
It's yours. not-
Yes. Okay, okay, let's go. Okay. Already night. Shaira, restroom for you.
That's okay na tayo.
It's okay.
Restroom.
Where Sky Ranch? This is Sky Ranch. We're going to Sky Ranch.